Hello, my dear students. Good evening. How are you? I hope you all are safe at home. Welcome back to our IT section, Standard second chapter, Input and Processing Device. So, students, what we had learned in previous chapter? Yes, computer, a versatile machine, means it is used for different purposes. A computer can do any job but proper instructions. And we had seen computer is a more greater than man. Very good. So students, we are going to learn our second chapter, Input and Processing Device. So students, what is the input? Input means the input devices help you to talk to the computer to do a specific job. Input is the instruction given by you to the computer. In the human body, information enter the brain to eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. In a computer, information enters through the input devices. It can be numbers, letters, symbols, pictures or sounds. The input is given to the computer through input devices. Input devices are the parts of a computer that are used to feed instructions to the computer by us. The following are the input devices that feed the data into the computer. First is a keyboard. Do you know what is it? Yes, it is a keyboard. Keyboard looks like a typewriter. On keyboard, there are many keys like alphabet keys, movement or arrow keys, and number keys. The keyboard is an input device. It has many buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. It is divided into three sections as shown above. First is the numbers, second letters, third symbols. By pressing the keys on the keyboard, the different types of keys on the keyboard. First alphabet keys, second number keys, third arrow keys or cursor control keys, fourth function keys, fifth special keys. The alphabet keys are from A to Z as in alphabets. The numeric keys are from 0 to 9 in number. The function keys are 12 in total from F1 to F12. The cursor control keys are displayed as follow: up, down, left, right. The special keys are: first is the enter key. Enter key is used for to go to the next line. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Second, spacebar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used for gives a space when you press space bar key. Third, backspace key. It is used for erase any letter, word, numbers or anything. Fourth, delete key. It is used for delete any paragraph, icons, files and folders. Fifth, tab key. It is used for insert tab between letters, words. Sixth, caps lock key. It is used to type in capital letters. When caps lock key is on, letters appear on capital. Next, mouse. A mouse is an input device and its name is derived from its shape, which looks like a mouse. It controls the pointer on the monitor, so it is also called a pointing device. It is also used for drawing. The mouse can be moved on a smooth surface. You control the movement of pointer on the monitor. There are different types of pointers. Next, different types of mouse. First, mouse with 2 buttons. Second, mouse with scroll bar. Third, mouse with single click. Fourth, cordless mouse. Fifth, optical mouse. And sixth, mouse with 3 buttons. So students, we will learn how a mouse is operated. The mouse has 4 functions. They are: first, single click, second, double click, third, right click, fourth, drag and drop. First, single click means left click. When you press and release the left mouse button once, left click is used to select icons, files or folders on the desktop. Second, double click. It means when you press and release the left mouse button twice in rapid succession, it means action or movement. Double click is used to open the program file or folder on the computer. Third, right click. It means when you press and release the left mouse button once, right click on the desktop or any other area switches to the shortcut menu. And fourth, drag and drop. It means when you press the left mouse button holding it down and move the mouse to drag the selected object and release the mouse button. The operation of pressing and releasing of the mouse button will work for the program is called paint, which will help you to draw and paint. So students, now we will see the more input devices. First is a scanner. Scanner is an input device that scans the document, which includes images, pictures and text. This is displayed on the computer screen. Second, microphone. A microphone is an input device which can be attached to a computer. You can record your voice or other sounds into the computer. Third, light pen. Light pen is a pointing input device which is used to select a display menu or draw pictures on the monitor screen. It is optical system placed in a small tube light. Fourth is a joystick. A joystick is an input device which is used game controller for computer games, usually have one or more push buttons. The joystick has been the flight control in the many aircraft, particularly military fast jets. Fifth is a trackball. A trackball is an input device. It consists of ball by a socket sensors to detect a rotation of the ball about 2 axes. It is like an upside down mouse. The user rolls the ball with the thumb, fingers, or the palm of the hand to move a cursor. Sixth is a touch screen. The input device has touch sensitive displays, screens. One can use a stylus. A touch screen is a computer screen that can be used by touching it with a finger or a stylus pen, which helps like a pen to write on the surface of a small touch screen. Tablet computers and smartphones have made them popular. Now we will see the processing device. The work done on the instructions input data given to the computer is called processing. I.P.O. I, that is input, P, that is processing, O, that is output. Whatever instructions you are giving to the computer, it going to process it, and after that you are getting the output. For example, to add two numbers. First input, to calculate the sum of numbers 5 and 6. The input data is fed in the computer. Next, now processing 5 plus 6. Now the addition of the two numbers will be performed by the processing device, central processing unit. The C.P.U. is the processing device and is known as the brain of the computer. It is most important part of the computer system. The C.P.U. processes all the instructions given to the computer through input devices. It has three parts. First is the ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. Second, CU, this is a control unit. And third, MU, this is memory unit. All the parts of a computer are attached to the C.P.U. and controlled by a control unit. Next, the interior of C.P.U. First, hard disk. The hard disk is fixed inside the C.P.U. It is known as memory of the computer. Second, memory card. A memory card is a type of storage device that is used for storing media and data files. Third, motherboard. A motherboard is a single platform to connect all of the parts of a computer together. Fourth, CD drive. It is a compact disc. It is flat and round. CD-ROM drive. It allows us to record information on a computer. It is removable media storage. It is known as CD-ROM, DVD, etc. Fifth is a power switch. A power switch controls the flow of power to an electric device. The switch has an on and off position. Every computer uses a power button for turning on and off a computer. So students, I hope everyone have understood the second chapter, input and processing device. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.